Super exciting because this is going to be our first real, like, pedal to the metal, put it to the test of solar. And what is it like with the, like, going down the road? How much, like, power are we generating while we're traveling, while we're at the RV Unplugged rally, all of it. So exciting times. The kids are not with us this particular time, so I have mixed emotions about that. It's gonna be like, what does it feel like to be an empty nester for a week?
I know.
I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm feeling it's gonna be different, very different.
Do we have blocks underneath where the jacks were at all?
I put them away, except for these two.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna leave those there, just so when we come back, we can back right in and pull back up on the blocks.
To think that we're gonna come into the exact same spot anyway.
Oh, have you seen my driving?
Yeah, you're a better driver than I, so you can do it. More power to
All right,
you.
well, let's see how well you can pull out of here.
All right, I'm gonna throw these in the fridge and then I'll pull it up. Yell real loud if I'm gonna hit.
The true test, see if you can do it without hitting that.
All right, meet me at the end of the road.
All right,
Grab the
hook
Jeep.
up the Jeep.
Did I hit anything?
Nope.
I hit trees on this side.
Yeah.
But we don't want to get fuel here.
I know. I just want to stop and get the automatic windshield washer right here. All right, ready?
It only moves.
Go. Woohoo!
Turn
Yeah!
right on Florida's Turnpike, then take the third right.
Working.
Continue on I-75.
Let's get it started. Throw your hands in the air while the beat is dropping. Acting like you don't care when everybody's watching. Just keep whipping your hair like that. You got it. Yeah, you're feeling it too. Let's get it started. I'm ready. Let's get it.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Are you ready? Let's get it started.
That was the most interesting Cracker Barrel stay that I ever had.
I'm ready for coffee, that's for sure. But yeah, like, so this has never happened in all of our years of Lotdocking during trips, but Cracker Barrel's usually one of our favorites because big parking lots, go grab some coffee and breakfast in the morning. It's usually like a good place to overnight. But last night, holy Moses. So we pulled in and there was what I thought was like a camper van. It looked like a camper van. So I'm like, perfect, you know, we've got some other people that are here doing the same thing. That's great. It was not a camper van. We're parked, we're set up, we're literally trying to go to bed, and we're like, what is that noise? And I thought it sounded like a helicopter. This camper van was actually like some sort of cleaning crew, and they proceeded to pressure wash the entire parking lot. Like, who pressure washes a parking lot? And the equipment was so stinking loud, and this lasted till midnight. So I need coffee this morning for sure, because wow, that was a loud night. Usually we run fans if, you know, highway noise, like, that's good. But when they're stinking pressure washing the parking lot, right in the parking lot, Lord, have mercy.
All right, you stay here and guard the RV, okay? We're gonna go into Cracker Barrel.
Do they have bacon?
You bark or bite anybody who tries to break in.
Okay, okay.
It's your job. You smell the food? You smell Cracker Barrel?
I smell bacon.
Got the keys.
Got the keys.
Right key. We don't need a repeat of what happened.
Nope, it's the right keys.
Let's go. I need coffee badly. Best escape anyone can have. Totally. Right there.
Oh geez, not your flamingo stuff. Oh boy.
They tell me everything is good until it is not. They tell me that I'm losing my grip, yeah. You can scream it, but it
All right, shall we get this show on the road?
Yes. So I got the one slide pulled in, which we only opened just the one slide last night since the kids weren't along. We didn't really have to pull out that other slide. So anyway, slides in, levelers are up. You might want to just do a visual on that. But you need to put the key in the Jeep.
Okay.
So get that done. You should be ready to rock and roll.
All right, ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Where's the bacon?
Turn right on Good Hope Street.
So instead of the peace sign, it's the P sign.
I'm seeing visions on the sea.
So it says in 1810, residents of Louisiana's Florida parishes rose in an armed insurrection and overthrew the Spanish government. What's more American than overthrowing other governments?
Louisiana coffee. Yum. Let me see. Let's not have. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. All right, so we found a rest stop that has a dump station. So we're gonna go ahead and dump. So I want to make sure we have a fully empty black tank, gray tank before we get to RV Unplugged. We're gonna be unplugged for how many days? 5?
4.
4 days. So we don't want anything in our tanks. Ugh. Ooh, yeah.
Hey guys.
While most people follow the 3-3-3 rule and don't drive more than 3 hours a day or 300 miles a day, we tend to kind of overextend that quite a bit. ourselves 2 days to go 1,000 miles to arrive for the RV Unplugged Rally in Athens, Texas. When we arrived, we were ushered into our site with the rest of our cast and crew members. The sites here are definitely a little tight, so it's a good thing that we're all very close friends.
Stop. One of the things I am passionate about is upcycling when and where possible, which is why I was so excited when I learned about On the Road Again bags. These bags are made right here in the USA by a female-owned small business owner in Massachusetts. The materials used to make the bags and placemats are all materials that would have been thrown into the landfill by boat and trucking manufacturers. But On the Road Again bags repurposes these materials into some great bags. I have the Liberty tote and I love it for the beach, getting groceries, and even for RV organization. And here's something pretty amazing too. This particular red, white, and blue fabric was originally made for the trucking industry to cover the beds of dump trucks used in cleaning the debris from Ground Zero during the attacks of 9/11. These bags are the perfect gift for anyone, but especially for the traveler. Check out all of the totes, travel pouches, placemats, and more at gratefulglamper.com/on the road or at the link in the description below. And a huge thanks to On the Road Again Bags for sponsoring this video.
Coming